Hello guys, you welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be cutting this neckline. So the first thing to do is to mark 1.5 inches above before you start marking your shoulder. So as I've marked 1.5, the next thing is to mark my shoulder. My shoulder is 8 inches. You mark your shoulder, whatever it is, then a shoulder slope of 1 inch. Now you mark your neck width. So this varies. Just divide your bust measurement by 12. Whatever you get, you mark it as your neck width and your neck depth. So 3 is not constant because some necks are wider than the other. So as I've marked my neck width like that, I'm just going to connect the shoulder slope. Then the next thing to mark is 1.25. That's the height of the turtleneck I want. The height of the neck I want. I marked 1.25. You can mark more than that or less than that depending on what you want. I'm marking the depth of my neck. That's where I want the style. I marked 8 and I marked 6 inches. Sorry. I marked 8 and I marked 6 inches. I'm just going to connect both lines. How you want your cleavage to be exposed. So I want mine 8 and 6 inches. Now I'm going to mark 1 inch and mark 1 inch also at the shoulder slope. Now I'm going to connect it with a curve. If you have a ruler curve, please, it's important right now. The curved ruler is important. So I'm just connecting it and extending it to the length, to the height of my neck. Then I'll mark half an inch. If you are cutting directly on your fabric, please don't mark the half an inch. But if you are cutting on a pattern paper to transfer to your fabric, mark half an inch. But if not, don't mark half an inch. So I'm marking 2 inches there. I'm just going to use my free hand and connect it. Like I do say, if you have a curved ruler, connect it to get your curve. I'm just trying to mark it to be perfect with a free hand. So why I said you should not mark half an inch there is because if you'll be turning it with your lining, it will now be wider than expected. So but if you don't mark the half an inch, that's if you're marking directly on your fabric, if you don't mark out half an inch, then there is no problem. But if you mark half an inch, I bet you by the time you'll be turning the neckline, it will be something else. So I've connected the dot and as well I'm cutting it out. So we'll see the outcome of what we've done so far. As you can see, it's so very beautiful and perfect. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. See you next time. Bye.